How to convert AutoCAD drawing to PDF. To convert a DWG drawing to PDF, open it in Autodesk AutoCAD. Click Plot on the top menu. Select Universal Document Converter in the list of available plotters. In the plot area, change What to Plot to Extents. In the plot offset, check Center the plot. In the plot scale section, check Fit to Paper. Click Properties. And then Custom Properties. You will see Universal Document Converter settings. Here you can change paper size, page orientation and image resolution, DPI, for the output file. Make the necessary settings and go to File Format. Select PDF document. To keep the text of a drawing, select Searchable PDF. And click OK in further dialog windows. Save changes to printer configuration and click OK. The file gets converted to PDF. Let's check the Universal Document Converter output folder. We have our drawing successfully converted to PDF. Find more solutions and download F-Code or Universal Document Converter at print-driver.com.